where we're about to prepare some delicious and spicy chicken kebabs. This recipe combines minced chicken with a variety of flavorful ingredients to create a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Before we begin cooking, let's gather our ingredients and do some prep work. We're all set with our ingredients. Now, let's start the prep work. Begin by chopping the onions, tomatoes, and green hot peppers finely. Set them aside for later. Next, gather your spices: salt, red pepper, crushed red pepper, cumin powder, whole dry coriander, and black pepper powder. Having your spices ready in individual bowls will make it easier to season the chicken later. Now, let's move on to the star of our dish, the minced chicken meat. Place the minced chicken in a large mixing bowl. To help bind our kebabs, add 2 tablespoons of graham flour to the chicken. Mix it well with the chicken. Now, crack 2 eggs into the chicken mixture. The eggs will provide moisture and help bind the ingredients together. Now, mix everything together thoroughly. Make sure the mixture is evenly combined, and the graham flour and eggs are fully incorporated into the chicken. Our chicken mixture is ready. Now, let's move on to seasoning. Time to add our prepared spices, starting with 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of whole dry coriander. Now, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, and don't forget 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper for that extra kick. Lastly, season with a 1/5 teaspoon of black pepper powder. For the final touch, add 1 tablespoon of salt or adjust to taste. Now, it's time to mix these spices into the chicken thoroughly. Make sure every inch of the chicken is well seasoned with our flavorful spices. Our chicken mixture is now packed with all the right flavors. With our seasoned chicken mixture ready, it's time to shape our kebabs. You can shape them into your desired size and shape. The choice is yours. Continue shaping all the kebabs until you've used up all the mixture. Our chicken kebabs are ready to hit the grill. It's time to grill these delicious kebabs. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and grill the kebabs for about 5 minutes on each side. Keep a close eye on them to ensure they're cooked to perfection. You'll know they're done when they're nicely browned and cooked through. And there you have it. Our spicy chicken kebabs are ready to be served. Garnish your chicken kebabs with some freshly chopped coriander or mint for a burst of freshness. Serve these delicious kebabs with your favorite chutney or yogurt sauce. And there you have it, a plate full of spicy chicken kebabs ready to be enjoyed. These kebabs are the perfect addition to your next gathering or as a delightful dinner option. We hope you enjoy making and savoring these spicy chicken kebabs as much as we did. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. Until next time, happy cooking.